alarm.
Hi guys, I'm so happy to be home. I'm back in Miami for Thanksgiving and it feels so weird, but it feels so good. Today's Sunday. I drove down from school on Thursday and I've just been rejuvenating. I got my nails done, I got my lashes redone, and I'm just feeling a lot more like myself. I feel like the past 2 months at school have taken the life out of me. Like, they've been so much fun, but it's just been a lot. So this week at home is much needed. Obviously, I'm home for Thanksgiving. A lot of reuniting with friends and family and all of that. Today's actually my dad's birthday and my parents aren't home. So actually, since I've been home, I've just been home alone, but it's fine. They're in Colombia right now and they're coming back tomorrow, so I'm gonna pick them up from the airport and all of that. But I'm just rambling right now. It is 10:38 in the morning. I'm about to head out to go to meet with Sophia to have a meeting for something we've been working on. If you've been around in summer, this is gonna give you guys flashbacks, because during the summer we would have twice a week meetings at Joe and the Juice and then go to the beach, and that's what we're doing today. I need it. It's gonna fill my heart. And we're also gonna meet our friends at the beach, so it's gonna be a whole reunion and it's so good. It feels like summer. This needs to be like scientifically examined, is the fact that like coming home from college, doesn't matter what year, always triggers like old emotions. Do you know what I mean? I know as a fact it's not just a me thing, because my friends and I talk about this, and then yesterday my whole For You page was flooded with girls being like, why was nobody gonna tell me that coming home for Thanksgiving would trigger all my high school emotions? And like, been there, because last year when I came home for the first time, I literally refelt every emotion from high school, like senior year. Now that I'm a sophomore, you would think it's not the same, but no, like the second I got home, like I couldn't be happier to be home. Obviously, like I love Miami, I love being home, but it's a little triggering. Like, I literally got home and I started feeling all the emotions from summer. Don't get me wrong, I had the best summer, but since being at school, I've done a lot of healing in many aspects with many things, and just being home, it was kind of like, whew, I got like a wave of old energy. That's it, a wave of old energy. You can't be 100% perfect. It's okay, because life is good. I'm in a good place. I'm so happy for this week. I'm excited to take you guys along. I hope you guys are all doing so well. Good morning. Happy Monday. I think the reason why I think I'm getting sick mildly is because of my body's inability to sleep. I'm up at 7:30. I woke up no alarm. Like, I do have a lot going on today, so maybe it's a good thing that I'm up and at 'em. I have a final semester project to get done by tonight. I write entrepreneurship class, I'm pretty sure. And then my parents come home today, so I have to pick them up from the airport at around 2:30, I think. And then I'm actually going to a Miami Panthers hockey game tonight, which should be fun. I've never been to like a real hockey game, so I don't know what to expect. But there's a lot on the agenda, so being up at this hour is probably what's best. Also, I looked back on the footage from yesterday and realized that my camera was recording in slow motion. So in case there was absolutely no speaking for like all of yesterday's footage, that's why. I don't know why my camera does that. Anyways, I'm gonna make some tea, probably like do my skincare, and then get on my assignment. All right guys, so obviously first semester of my sophomore year is coming to an end, which first of all is absolutely crazy to me. Like I could go on for hours talking about how the concept of time freaks me out, but that's not what we're discussing here. But on that note, I want to end off the semester on the right foot, obviously. Staying up to date with all of my assignments and to-dos as a whole is always so important to me, which is why I'm so excited to thank Notion for sponsoring this video. I know that this is a Thanksgiving vlog, but I still have stuff to get done, and of course I want to get it done to the best of my ability, which Notion helps me do. If you guys aren't familiar with Notion, it's basically the best tool for students to organize their own work and also collaborate with others. It's an app and a website, meaning you can basically access it on any device from anywhere. I mainly use it on my iPad, of course. When I have clear organization, my brain is clear and I know what I have to do when I have to do it. So of course I keep all my notes, classwork, due dates, everything written on Notion. And just having all of my upcoming tasks in one place is a lifesaver, honestly, especially since I'm very much on top of my own work. Having all online classes, it's important to keep everything organized. And I also love it because obviously it's great for school, but I can even keep my YouTube stuff and like YouTube work organized on the app. And I also love it because it makes your workspace super minimal or maximal, depending on your preference, because of all of the customization features like background color and fonts and all of that. And the absolute best part, you guys know there's always a plus to what I tell you. Notion is 100% absolutely free to all students and educators. And all you have to do when you create an account is sign up with your school email, and that will grant you access to all of Notion's plus features for free. So with all that being said, thank you again to Notion for sponsoring this video. You guys saved my life. And on that note, I've been working on my project assignment paper thing. I'm pretty much almost done, which is super good. And there was a change of plans for my day. I'm not going to the hockey game anymore. It was kind of like a last minute plan and it was a whole thing, but I don't think that's in the cards for today. I'm gonna clean my room, I think, because it's a mess. I need to unpack, and then I still have to get my parents from the airport in the afternoon. And I'm sure I'm gonna like spend the afternoon with them. So I'll keep you guys up to date, but that's what's going on. It's 2:30 and I just got a text from my parents saying that they landed, so I'm about to head out. The airport's about 26-minute drive right now on the highway, so let's go pick up my parents. Good.
I'm sick.
Hello, little one. How are you?
Hi guys, so it's so much later. I'm obviously ready with makeup on. It's 8 o'clock right now, and turns out I actually am going out tonight, not to the hockey game as mentioned before, but I'm not really sure what's in store, but I'm in the midst of getting ready. And I think what I'm gonna wear is this corset from Revolve. I just got it for this month's gifting and I'm obsessed with it. I'm having struggle pairing it with bottoms. So right now I'm not wearing pants. So I need to figure out what bottoms to wear. I tried on jeans, like my go-to jeans, and it's just not, something's not giving. Because this is giving like girly, like elegant, it has like shimmer on it. Anyways, so I need to figure that out. When I do, I will show you my outfit. I'm so tired back home doing homework.
So no, we'll have to do another one.
Hi guys, good morning. I was so mentally, physically drained yesterday that you best bet I actually did nothing. Like I had plans of coming home. Okay, I don't know if it was obvious or not. I didn't sleep at home on Monday night. So then yesterday I woke up and like had like no sleep, and I had plans on like having more plans later in the day. But what ended up happening was I was doing homework. I was just hanging out with my mom doing homework, and then like this wave of like illness took over. So I just went to bed and I was like in and out of sleep pretty much all day and like doing homework. So that's what's going on. But today's Wednesday and I'm so excited for today because I'm having my annual like festive day with Sabrina and I think Alexa too. If you guys aren't new, you would know that me and Sabrina have had this tradition since like 7th grade, I think, where basically we spend the day before Thanksgiving doing our festive shopping and then have a little sleepover, make holiday cookies, watch Christmas movies, and I've vlogged multiple times doing this. So yeah, you've seen the vlogs, you've seen them. But what I've been doing right now is I was making some TikToks for some clothing I got. I'll show you guys because this stuff is so cute. So first is this set. Then is this bathing suit, which has berries on it. It's so cute. It's like a one piece. I'm obsessed. And then is this gray maxi skirt, which I wore as a dress. And I think I'm gonna wear it as a dress because it's so pretty. It's like the perfect length for that. So if you want to see how these look tried on, there's gonna be a TikTok up on my account. So go follow me there. But so basically my mom made it, which is this brand, sent this stuff to me, which I have been ecstatic about because I love their stuff. I also have some Revolve clothes in this box that I have to film, but I don't think I'm gonna do that now because I think it's about to be 11 and I think we're starting our day at around noon. Yeah. I had to change out of the sweatpants because it's like 85 degrees, but let's go. I'm gonna go pick up Sabrina and Alexa. I'm
trying to find my keys.
Okay, you're fine.
It's really throwing me off for a loop.
Hey, Duke! Wait, did you take your Duke off?
Yeah, she did.
What the?
Thanks.
Let's go! Yeah, you guys gather or what? I love your curls. Your curl pattern's stunning. Hey. Okay, come on, guys.
You never did a haul.
No, I didn't. It's a lot later. It's 6 o'clock. We've been doing some nonsense, honestly. And we're gonna go to Target now.
True.
And then the world's our oyster. Not much really festive going on, but it's okay. She
bought
okay.
festive.
I did. I'll give you guys a haul when I'm back home. This is one of the things I bought. I'm obsessed. Anyways. Is Sabrina? Oh, she's like hiding right here. Hey. Hey. Girl. Ooh, candy cane. Pebble candles. I mean, thoughts on my slippers. Why is it so big? It makes me uncomfy.
Struggle. I know you've had some